Hi guys, this is a girl Zama. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, can you see that fat? Can you see that fupa, guys? Just imagine that app definition is popping out small, guys. I can see a huge difference only in 2 days, guys. So please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy and like this video because I've got a lot to share with you guys today's video. Yes, I've got a lot to share with you guys. To all my returning subscribers, I just want to say, guys, thank you very much for your support. Thank you guys for showing your girl some love. I really appreciate, guys. I love you so much. And to all those who are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy and like my video. Please, guys, don't forget to comment, to like, and to subscribe to the channel. I hope you stay, guys. So yes, as you can see here, guys, I'm dying. Like yo, the pain, guys, it's real. The pain is real. Guys, because this is my journey as I'm starting my 7-day challenge of wall pilates workout. Yeah, this is my day 1, and my body was like, Zama, what are you doing? Yo, I was in pain, guys. I was in pain, and this workout, it's only 10 minutes, but the burn is real, guys. I like it because it's very effective. I promise, guys, it's very effective. As you see, guys, when I'm starting this video, I shot that first one, day 1 and day 2. Yeah, as you can see, there's a huge difference, guys. That was day 1 with that big stomach. The stomach was popping out. The stomach was like, Zama, please do something about me. Do something about me, Zama. And then second day after doing my workouts, I was like, I was checking myself in the mirror. I was like, okay, girl. I can see that app definition popping out. Yeah. But slowly but sure. I was very excited, guys. That's why I shot this video to show you guys how effective this workout it is, guys. So yeah, this challenge, guys, it is a bomb. Try it out. I'll leave it in the description box for those who want to try it out. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, this one you will like it, you will love it, guys, because it will target that fat in your stomach. Yeah, it will target that stubborn fat in your stomach. Just imagine, only in 2 days, guys, I've got that definition popping out. Don't worry, guys, after 7 days I'll come back again with the results. When I'm done with the challenge after 7 days, I'll come back again and show you my results. I can't wait, guys. Ukuswenka nge-crop top. Ngibangene nge-crop top. Bakwethu ngibangene nge-crop top. Like, yeah, you build the summer body during winter, guys. So I decided to start now. I was like, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start next week, I'll start. I will start, but I was like, no, girl, you better do something with his stomach, because it was complaining to us. I'm gonna do something about me, girl. Do something about me, because now you're busy hiding me under those big jackets. So guys, so Zama, please do something. Panel beats me. I was like, okay, let me panel beat you small. Here I am, guys. I'm dying here. My stomach is on fire. My abs are on fire. But I promise you guys, I'll be back after 7 days. I'll show you my real results for 7 days. I can't wait, guys. So let's get to the video. Continue watching me dying, guys, because I ganyiwa wafethu. Ganyiwa. And then after my workout, I decided to use my belt because I hardly use it. I was like, girl, I must start to waist train my waist. Yeah. So I decided to wrap my waist, guys. Yeah, so that each while I'll train it so that it will be like 26 centimeters. I'll snatch it. Yeah, I want it to be snatched. Come summer, Zama, I'm coming hot. Come summer, girl, I'm coming hot, because what I'm doing here, I'm killing myself, guys. I'm killing myself. I can't wait. Yes, girl. So yeah. And then after my workout, I did my I saw this challenge of egg diet, guys. So this one, it was my day 2 of that egg diet. You only eat 3 eggs and 1 apple plus green tea. Yeah. So I got my green tea, my slimming green tea. I put chia seed inside of it, and then lemon, and then my 3 eggs and 1 apple. That's what I eat. Yeah. So I saw it on TikTok, guys. So here it is. That's what I eat. And then after that, I blend my cucumber, the detox juice. I use cucumber, spinach, green apple, lemon, and ginger. I just blend them together, and then after my workout, I just drink it up, guys. It's not nice, but I just drink it up because I want that body. I need that summer body, guys. I'm very serious. I'm not joking this time. I'm not joking this time. I need that summer body. Yeah. Just imagine day 2 results. Only 2 days, guys. Can you see? Can you see, guys? See? Just imagine after 7 days. Ngiyobe nginjani, guys. See the definition. The fupa is melting. Guys, can't wait. I can't wait. Again. I snatch my waist again, guys. Yeah. And now I'm getting used to it. It's not even painful. I'm used to it. I wait for 5 hours a day. Yeah. I wait for 5 hours a day, and then I remove it. When I'm at home, I just put it for 5 hours. When I'm going to work, I just go with it. So when I'm going to work, which means it's more hours than when I'm at home. Yeah, when I'm at work, it's more hours than when I'm at home, because when I'm at home, I make sure it's only 5 hours. But when I'm at work, So here, guys, I'm going to show you this hairstyle, how I did it. Very simple. Yeah, very simple, guys. Just to put styling jelly and my 10 rand braid only. Simple hairstyle. Yeah, it's very simple, guys. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. Let me not talk so that you see what I did, guys. Yeah.